to my...
Hang on, Pinky. Ziggy's going for a new world record.
Yeah!
World record?
Ready, set, go!
Oh, man, that was incredible.
And now for my next trick.
Ziggy!
Oh, sorry. What were you saying, Stephanie, huh?
Well, I'm having a party for Sporticus, but you guys can't come if you're gonna do gross stuff like that.